another episode of Atlas Survival Shelters. Guys, if you haven't seen my channel, I promise you today is going to be one of the best videos I've ever put on YouTube channel. You know what we're going to do? We're going to do this right here. We are going to put in a 10-foot by 40 modular shelter under a big old Mediterranean style house like you're seeing in this image right here. This thing has all the bells and whistles, under the floor storage, built-in water tanks. We finally show you how the septic system works, how the plumbing works, how the water works. And guys, you're just gonna love this video. I hope you share it, subscribe to my channel, like it, and do all those things that makes other people see it. But this is really, seriously, this is one of the best install videos I've ever got to edit for you guys. So sit back and enjoy it. Hey, and don't forget, go to shelterwithatlas.com if you want to get some of the survival foods.
You shut off the main. You shut off the bypass. Right here, we're going to open. We're going to open. Then we're going to, this is the water tank. So now that pressure pump, you can hear it now. It's not running continuous because that's